Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing Bitcoin, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, Bitcoin, man, it definitely has been drifting down, but I still think it is very likely at 1, 2, 3, wave 4, and I still think at some point it is going to make its way up for a wave 5, which will most likely take out the previous highs. So, taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I definitely still think this is a crescent. It looks like a crescent, very, very overlapping. I was originally thinking this right here was the bottom, but it makes more sense that it went down one more time because it did grab this rally, base rally area, and it did hit the 50%. Kind of looks like an A, B, C, D, E, and it probably is going to go back up for that wave 5. So taking it right down to the daily, like I said, I definitely still think it's a crescent. It kind of looks like a 5-wave crescent now, which is likely an A, B, C, D, E. I'm really still not convinced that it's actually over. It kind of looks like to me like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and it kind of looks like it needs to go down again for a wave 5 of wave E before it actually does go up, break structure, and continue the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, pretty strong move to the upside, but definitely no break of structure or anything like that, and it really looks to me like a 1, 2, 3. I think this move up is likely a wave 4, and I think we are likely to go down at least one more time for a wave 5. Then if we bounce and get a break of structure, that's what's going to tell me that the crescent is over. If we don't bounce and we don't get the break of structure, then technically you should continue to look for shorts. Going down to the 1-hour time frame, I personally would be looking for shorts right now. We definitely did get a nice Fibonacci bounce, and we do have a break of structure to the downside. I think that might even already be the short. I would be a little bit cautious because it's really not all that impulsive. It might actually go up again, and it possibly could go up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels. But if you do see that big engulfing move to the downside, nice break of structure, I think it would be the end of a wave 4, and I think it would likely be the continuation of the downtrend for that wave 5, likely a wave 5 of wave E based on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.